Well, good morning. So here is another day. Probably should have brought my drone out. I need to practice with launching the drone from the Kayak. Once I get that down pat, I'm going to get some aerial shots out here. It's going to be hot today. I don't know how long I'm going to last. It's going to be really hot, and I'm just playing around, trying to see if I can catch a fish in all this heat. Wish me luck. Let's get to it. Don't know how much of a video I'm going to make today, but I'm going to make an intro anyway, just in case. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers and so I can start qualifying for some YouTube benefits, right? That's what we're trying to do here. That's what we're trying to do. All right, thanks a lot. There, we got one. Oh, he got away. Oh, shoot. He got away. One jump and he's gone. These bites are really subtle. It's like very little resistance. They're not hitting it hard. They're just like taking it and slowly going away with it. Makes it tough. You gotta really be kind of paying attention to what the line is doing, because that's about the only way you know you got a bite. It's just it's really weird. All right, we'll keep going. Where'd he go to? Oh, no. That was weird as hell. Huh. Throw it back up underneath there and see what happens. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, tree branch. Not exactly your trophy. All right. Let's keep doing it. There we go. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. Don't stop jumping. All right. Oh, looks like we might have a fish since I lost the other one. He's. Oh, don't jump. Easy. Oh, right. Oh, wow. Ooh. Man. Oh, man. He got me all wet and everything. All right, let's look at this one. What do we got here? I didn't think he was hooked. Yeah, see, I got him. He was got good too. Was this one recording? There we go. Battery died on it. All right. Well, looks like we'll get front camera from the meantime. Yeah, let's see if I can. I had him hooked good. He wasn't getting away, that's for sure. Yeah, not a huge one, but at least I didn't get skunked today, considering things were pretty slow. Let me get him in the water. It's so warm. I want to get this fish in the water quick. Alright, there we go. He's a funky little guy though. Alright, I know he'll meet the minimum. I'm going to change the battery out in this camera real quick. Alright. Get my camera out. There we go. What are we waiting? What are we measuring out to? Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. He is. Close your mouth. He's 18 and a half. Yeah, 18 and a half. Close your mouth. $18 3/4 actually. Yeah, 18 3/4. All right. Let me take a picture for my wife. All right. There he is, 18 3/4. Good job. There he goes. Alright. No skunk area right here. I got my power poles deployed so that I can be quiet and not be spinning around. So I have both power poles deployed, and we'll see how that works. All right, let's just cast around in here, in this little spot right here. See what we get. Whoa, where'd he come from? Okay. Pulling some drag here. Yeah. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. There you go. Alright. Well, it's been a while. I think I was catching more fish, man. Gee whiz. Alright. Ooh. Sorry, buddy. Almost hooked you through the eye. Let's see here. See if I can get you with this without messing you up too much. There we go. Alright, get him out of the way. Let's see here. That'll probably be about a 14-inch, 15-inch fish. Get him in the water. Alright. Any bets? What do you think? Put your comments below. How big you think he is. We'll see. Alright, what do you think? I say it's about 15 inches. Let's see. Look at this. Close his mouth. Close. Oh, look at that. Close your mouth. 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 There you go. He is. What do you know? He is 16 and a half. Oh, a lot bigger than I thought he was. Alright. Picture for my wife. Hi, here he is, 16 and a half inches. Little guy. Well, let's let him go. There he goes. Off he goes. Alright. That's 2 fish. And I lost a couple of fish. That's about par for the course. Alright, we'll keep on fishing and see what we get. I'd like to get at least 2 more, maybe? You think? Think I could do that? I don't know why my camera's crooked. I don't think I'm sitting. There we go. Think I can get 2 more? Maybe? Oh man, I don't know. I'm on the sun side. So, you know, I've been fishing the shady side. And then I came back over on this sun side to see if I could have any more luck. Somebody's on my favorite spot. Oh well, I don't own the lake. Let's fish some more. See what we can do here. I might have a fish on here. Do I? Do it? Oh, yep. A little guy. What are you thinking? What were you thinking? Hey. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Huh? This is my trophy. This is my trophy. Right there. Oh, man. This is pretty much synonymous in my day. Right here. How close can I hold this to the camera and make it look big, huh? Alright, go. Alright. There we go. Let's do it. Alright. Here you go. That might be a scoreable fish. Oh. Yep. You done? Are you done? Think you had enough? Got my net, got my finger, you went all the way through. My goodness. How in the world did you accomplish that? That part's done. Get the hook out of you. Trying to help you, buddy. It's about a 15. About a 15 or 16 incher. I need that. All right. Bam. Get my board out. Get back up here. It's like these 16 inchers are the meanest ones. 15 3/4. That was close. Alright. 15 3/4. Got a photo for my wife. Alright. There you go. 15 3/4. Back in the water you go. And off he swims. No harm done. Shoot, man, he broke that. I just put that worm on there. That's the thing about these Gamakatsus. They're not very durable. One good bite and they're toast. I'll have to order some more of these dark ones. I don't think the exact color matters, but I think the shade matters. Like darker worms or lighter worms. I think that matters, but I don't think the exact color matters a whole lot, unless I could be wrong. Let's see, this is not going to work. I can tell you that right now. When you get the line wrapped around like that, the worm doesn't swim right. There we go. All right. Let's see if we can catch some more. All right, not a total disaster. 3 scoreable fish. Lost one that would have been scoreable, so should have had 4 scoreable fish. Pretty much the same as the last time I was out, except the fish weren't as big. But yeah, we'll keep trying. It's hot. It's really hot, so not a lot of movement. Thanks for watching, and again, subscribe please. I know the fishing videos are probably a little boring, maybe, I don't know, but they're a lot of fun to make. Remember that fishing pole I fished out of the water? Well, I'm going to make a video on that, so stay tuned and subscribe to that, or subscribe to my channel, and you'll see an upcoming video on that. I gotta have to take a trip. Then after my trip, I'll make a video on the Rodtanic. All right. Come back soon, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you later.